Preparation of alkyl halides, that is allylic substitution. First of all, what is allylic position? So, if you have a compound like this, it is called as allyl chloride. Why? Because halogen is attached to an sp3 carbon, which is in turn attached to a sp2 carbon. So we are going to learn how to carry out or how to prepare allylic halides. First of all, you can take, there are three methods. The first method is you can take propene and you react it with chlorine in the presence of either heat or light. Light can be represented like this or UV light. So in that case, normally when you add chlorine, it's an addition reaction and chlorine adds across the pi bond. That is, you get one Cl here and one Cl here. But now in presence of light, if this condition is there, the mechanism is completely different because chlorine free radicals are formed, and chlorine free radical will undergo substitution here with hydrogen free radical at this carbon. The double bond is not touched here. So the product obtained is CH2, one hydrogen replaced by Cl. This is one method, that is halogenation, with which we can prepare allylic halides. The second method is by using SO2Cl2. Not to get confused with SOCl2, thionyl chloride, which was used to convert alcohol to haloalkane. SO2Cl2, sulfuryl chloride, is used to carry out allylic chlorination. So again you get the same product, that is you get allyl chloride. So this is more specific to chlorides only. The third method of preparation is by using NBS. The full form of NBS is N-bromosuccinimide. N-bromosuccinimide causes allylic bromination. So this time in the allylic position you get PR. So there are three ways in which allylic halides can be obtained. The first one is by halogenation in presence of heat or light or UV light. High temperature may be written over the arrow and so on. The second method is by using sulfuryl chloride, SO2Cl2. The third method is by using NBS, N-bromosuccinimide. This gives allylic bromides in particular, and this gives allylic chlorides in particular. This is in general, any halogen can be substituted. Mechanism is free radical substitution reaction. It takes place either at allylic position or at benzylic position. This is important for competitor.